Construction updates. Here we go. Ooh. Extending the building there. We think this can be used for trailers. This definitely like it's confirmed.
We only started it about a week
I'm
ago.
in the crow's scare zone there, down that path, which is normally used to connect Lost City to Solar Ride. Yeah, really cool. More Fright Night stuff here, guys, for the crows. We were all very, very hyper on that one, I think. And of course, platform 15, and there's a line just there as well. So down here is going to be where Creek Freak Massacre and Creek Freak Unchained are going to be. Obviously this Creek Freak and then Scare Zone. And Massacre just over there is the main itself. Going to see.
Logo though.
Looks like this is definitely confirmed, guys. End of the line. Now are they going to actually have, this is the entrance, or are they going to have it?
That's the entrance.
So this is the entrance. But again, so looks like you're going to be coming out down by Creek Freak Massacre and Creek Freak Unchained. That's going to be very interesting to see. Live construction. Summer cruise update. There's Zach's head. Anyway. Everybody guesses 2 videos being filmed today. The Fright Nights construction and comic filming, and of course a 4-part vlog itself. Yeah, I think it's called covering it.
Even if you take all your focus,
Yeah, let's do it.
your phone with you standing.
Looks like we've got 2 buses back. One is Amity High, one is Lakenthorpe High. What do you reckon, Paul? But yeah, this looks like this is the area obviously for Fright Nights that you're gonna use. Normally have like a flash mob down here.